Hey, I'm Josh with Columbia Safety and Supply, and in this video we want to explain the importance of practicing lockout tagout procedures when working around hazardous energy sources. To begin with, what's the purpose of lockout tagout? Well, when working around electrical, mechanical, or thermal energy sources, if that energy is suddenly and unexpectedly released, it could pose a great risk to workers in the vicinity. Some examples of that energy release could be turning on machinery while maintenance is being performed, activating electrical hazards before clearing a work area, or failure to disconnect the work area from a power source before you start working on it. In fact, without lockout tagout standards in place, it's estimated that 50,000 workers could be injured each year, 120 of those resulting in a fatality. These kinds of accidents happen due to poor communication between workers, improper labeling of hazards, or simply a lack of focused attention when working around hazards. But there are safeguards to control the risk workers face around these energy sources, and that's with the practice of lockout tagout, or as it's commonly abbreviated, LOTO. Lockout tagout devices are designed to clearly identify that someone is working in or around an energy hazard, and if necessary, completely disable the ability to activate it. Not every application calls for both lockout and tagout procedures. If the equipment can be completely disabled or locked, lockout devices should be the first choice. However, not all equipment has that option. That's when tagout procedures may be used, but only if the tagout program provides the employee protection equivalent to that provided through a lockout program. As stated by OSHA, employers have a responsibility to provide workers with the knowledge, training, and provisions for energy control procedures. This includes detailed energy control procedures for each hazard and all the tools necessary to complete that procedure. Fortunately, we carry a variety of products that enable safe and effective lockouts and tagouts. From individual components like padlocks, hasps, and labeled tags to entire stations fully equipped with all the necessary equipment, we can help you comply with lockout tagout procedures in almost any application. Check out our selection for yourself at colsafety.com. Click that subscribe button and follow us on all social media channels. Also, check out our podcast, Gear Up with Gear Experts, available anywhere you listen to podcasts.